All right, so one of the things that we're going to go over today is the booking calendar. So if you're like in the service industry and you offer different types of booking, especially virtually, this will be a really good thing to kind of go over. And you should have within your personalized kit some booking videos as well. So if you scroll over, right, you'll see that there are some booking calendars, well, booking tutorials that are also here in your kit. But let's kind of get to it. So one of the first things that you're going to notice is the calendar, right? So what's important about the calendar is that you can sync it to your your Gmail calendar. So let me go with this. Let me show you guys exactly. So I have a G Suite account for my business. This is kind of what the calendar looks like. So you'll be able to sync it with your Google Calendar, even if you don't have the G Suite, even if you just need a Google Calendar. But if you don't have a Google Calendar, then you'll have to manage the calendar here internally within the system itself. And what you notice is here is that it's standard. It has all the different dates and times, things of that nature. But if you look over to the left, you'll see that you'll be able to kind of filter by services, by staff, location, session availability if you were to book a session in person. If you go up here, you can be able to add a new appointment or block out time or create a new service. Within here, you'll be able to edit the services, go to the staff to manage who is doing what on what day, view the entire work schedule, edit your default hours, add booking integrations, which we'll go over, export booking data, and update booking settings. Let's go to the booking settings really quickly. So you'll see here that you'll be able to kind of set the default hours, staff, and then you have the email and SMS reminders, which is really great for different types of businesses. Okay, I'll do this later. So new booking emails, get notified every time a client books a service. SMS, 24 hours before a session starts, you can be able to send a client a SMS message. Emails, and then also you can be able to, like these down here, or like different sets of automations which you can set up, which there'll be a separate video for automations, but a lot of these are pre-built, so you just have to kind of click setup and it does it for you. The only thing that you would really need to go into is just to edit the design of the actual email that's being sent. So when we went to booking calendar, this is kind of what we saw was like an overview of all our different appointments and things of that nature that should be here. Now we have the booking list, right? So what should be here is the list of all the different booking confirmations or past bookings that we've had or upcoming bookings. So you'll be able to filter it as you would like between status and between like time frames and things of that nature. So the booking list is right here. So we're going to go over to work schedule. You'll see here that Lizzie kind of set her work schedule. So between these times, people are able to book a session with her. So this is kind of how you would look at who's available on what day at what time, and then you'll be able to kind of manage the scheduling internally. Now, one of the things that that we saw here in the calendar was add booking integration. Right, so you'll see here that you'll be able to connect your Facebook, your Instagram, Google, and ClassPass and Hop. So ClassPass is mainly for the fitness professionals. The Hop is similar to Linktree, and this is gonna be able to be added for Wix. So this is Wix version of the Linktree, which I do have a video on the YouTube channel about. So you'll be able to have all these different type of book integrations, so that way it can interact directly with your site. And then you'll see here all the booking services available. So you'll be able to kind of set up your own booking services, set up your own parameters, which this will be a second video, well, another video. So you'll be able to see all the different booking services, manage the calendars, the bookings that you have or that are coming, and look at the work schedule. So hopefully all these different avenues really help you kind of understand the importance of the booking calendar.